You ain't gotta act like you ain't see the box already, but you can. There you go. There you go.
I know. How am I supposed to hold it? That's heavy.
Ain't that heavy?
It is not. Let me see.
Nah.
Okay.
You got it?
Oh, I think so.
That means you're supposed to be a vegan.
You said a what? It's heavy. This is so cool. Thank you. Oh my God. Thank you, Daddy Butter, so much for this.
It's a juicer and it's a blender.
It's a Bluicer.
So, yeah, it's a Bluicer.
First of all, I don't know why you keep doing this. Okay, there we go. What's on my leg?
I'm about to just go like this.
Oh.
Alright, so it's a juicer and it's a blender. So how I used to use it is I put all the, we would make smoothies. When we make smoothies, I put the strawberries, blueberries, you know, stuff that you just better off just blending instead of juicing. And then I'll, my favorite is pineapple because it broke my lane. I'll juice, you guys, this part, connect here, this opens, you put it on the side, then you juice the pineapples and then it goes straight into the
It's so complicated. Come on. This side go ahead. So it basically splits.
It's simple though, yeah.
So when it's a juicer, this part goes on top and that part goes on the bottom.
Yeah.
And then it allows you to juice that much.
Yeah.
At one time.
Well, yeah.
Which is good.
You'll figure it out.
Also,
I was actually mad you won.
first of all,
I gotta say that while the camera on too. I was actually mad that you won.
why?
Cause I was like,
I paid my
I didn't know.
money.
You see the video? You watched the video?
I did. You wasn't excited about it.
Lala picked it out the thing. I was
I
like,
know. Yo.
out of nowhere. I say.
When she was doing this in there, right?
Yeah.
And then she picked the thing, I was like, that's not
I was like,
I just feel like you got me out.
I didn't want to. It's not that I didn't want you to win, but I don't want people to think it's bogus.
Oh,
That's
it can't be because
Nah. I know they seen the video.
Right.
They seen the video. I just didn't want people to think it was bogus. That's it.
Oh.
Cause you know.
I don't care if you thought it was or not. I want my Bluicer.
But I was like, nah, I gotta give it to her because I gotta be honest. You actually won for real, fair and square. So, is what it is.